DJ community, what's going on? DJ Reese here of No Stress Zone Entertainment. I hope everybody's doing good on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Man, it's August 4th, man. It's a hot one out there, I'm in Jersey, shout out to my DJs out in Jersey, tri-state area. But and of course, shout out to my DJs that are not from the tri-state area as well. But I'm pretty sure it's hot most places wherever you are. It is the summertime, unless I guess you're in Alaska or something like that. But anyway, man, I just wanted to come through, of course, show my DJ some love, but also come through with 5 quick, easy social media tips for my DJs out there to get noticed on social media and to get those bookings up and to create great content. All right. So let's get into number one. Most importantly, keep the content flowing. You gotta stay consistent, be creative, put out content. You know, you go to record, you go to an event, you go to DJ, record a event log, show the people how you set up, what your setup looks like, the process of setting up your equipment, and then show the people how you have a good time, man. Show potential clients what your party may look like if they choose to book you. So I believe, recording your gigs, getting video content, or even paying a videographer. Myself, I typically just I got my iPhone 13. I just record. While I'm DJing, I'm recording, man. And even at my weddings as well, man. I have my facade table. I'll set my phone on top. I'll record myself emceeing, doing the bridal party introductions, all that. I record myself doing that. So I have content. And if potential clients want to see that and want to see how comfortable I am on the microphone, they get to see it. And I also put that in. So I put that in my reels too for social media. You know, my a lot of my content, my event content is my real content. What my event looked like from setup to the party starting and showing you how the party, what's going on in the party, what's the vibe like, what's the atmosphere like, and it is important to keep the content going, if you're doing mixes, you got a flyer out, post that, you got really dressed up for a wedding gig, you got a nice outfit, nice suit on, post that, man. Let them know you're a fly DJ out there, and you even DJ night. You're nicer, just your style is great, but also the way you DJ is even better, And also too, you know, stay consistent. And I said that earlier, but that's really important of staying consistent. So whether you want to post 3 times a week, 15 posts a week, stay consistent. Do not go weeks without posting anything. You know, all these social media sites, they go off an algorithm system. So if you're not posting, if you're idle, your accounts are idle, you're not posting, guess what? When you start to post, they won't push up your content. They won't show it to other people. So you gotta stay consistent. 2, ladies and gents, DJs, you gotta mix up your content. Don't just post the same things. If you want to post pictures of your gear all day, you got to mix it up. That sounds all cool and all, but you got to mix it up. Show people you got some skills out there. How do you mix 2 tracks together? How do you MC a bridal party? How do you do introductions? Mix your content up. Maybe you could do top 10 of an artist, and those will be those mixes. Or you want to show people how to properly have a contract, or show people how to properly talk to a client, but just mix it up. You could post your gear, you could post your lighting, all that cool stuff, but post what goes on at your events. Post, maybe you went to go to a DJ conference, post that. Mix your content up. Or a new song came out, you're a DJ, man, so you're the taste man. You're the taste master for this music. New song came out, it's killing the airways right now. I'm in South Jersey area, so I'm gonna say take for instance Z100. It's killing the airwaves right now. Crazy dance record. Well, let the people know about it. Let the other DJs know about it. If they don't know, let them know about it. Let the community, let the people, music lovers know about it. So mix your content up. All right. Don't keep it the same. All right. Third, don't spam your mixes. All right, DJs. This is very important because spam content always gets ignored. You know, be consistent when you post, but it doesn't mean I have to post my mix link uh 30 times every day on Facebook. That's crazy. That's more than once an hour. That's too much, man. You know, do not spam the people because you will regret it. It will not help you out in the long run. 4, give value to others. Meaning, social media is not just about yourself, it's not just about your content. You see fly, dope stuff out there, dope content, repost it, reshare it, man. Let the other people know. Give credit where it's due, man. It doesn't hurt you to show love. Doesn't hurt at all, man. You see dope content, you see someone doing their thing, feel definitely repost them, at them, give them their credit, tag them. It's nothing wrong with that. It's always to me, it's always a good thing. And maybe they may return the favor, but I always believe you don't do it just so someone can return the favor. You should repost dope content, just like you should share dope content, especially if you create dope content, share it and you should repost people's great and amazing content. All right. In 5, man, this is a big one. You're a DJ. You're in the entertainment business. You're you're boosting your brand through online platforms. Don't say do not stay silent. All right. And what I mean by not staying silent, do not stay silent. What I said earlier, you gotta post, use these platforms, talk to people, show your creativity, let people know why you're such a great DJ or why clients or potential clients should book you or continue to book you. All right. Let people know, show people what you are capable of doing. All right. And social media is great for that. I truly believe in that. And I'll be honest, in the very beginning, I was terrible, and I'm still not great with social media. Like I feel like I'm getting a lot better. I'm actually getting booked. So I have two Instagram accounts. I have a personal, my DJ account, a personal DJ account, just also a personal account, but it's still I post like literally 99% of my posts are DJ related. And if it's not, it's in my stories. Then I have a business account, a business Instagram account for my LLC, for my entertainment company. That's 100% DJ related and also voiceover related as well. And yeah, I've been getting bookings through both accounts, also through LinkedIn as well. I'm posting a lot of my DJ content. So I actually shifted my LinkedIn. Of course, I used to be in the 9 to 5 world like many people, but man, just been DJing full time for quite some time. And I really, I just had to rebrand my LinkedIn. So now it's DJ centric. It's all about DJ stuff, my DJ content, cool DJ stuff that I see, uh, my interviews, things that my reels. But yeah, I've gotten bookings through LinkedIn. I'm also trying to connect more with people in events in those departments through LinkedIn. Also Facebook too. Facebook has been very helpful, but my actual business Facebook page, I haven't gotten any through my personal. Well, actually, no, I'm lying. I've gotten a few, like maybe 2, but my business DJ page, I've gotten some bookings as well. But mainly Instagram has been very, very, very helpful. Those hashtags are very important. SEO, search engine optimization, is very important to optimize yourself, optimize what you're doing. All right, it's very important. If you know how to make sure that you show up on pages, show up on searches online. It's an important skill to have. But DJs, man, I just gave y'all five, quick and easy ways, all right, to boost yourself up on these social media platforms. Again, shout out to all my DJs. Take advantage of it. Man, if you need any help, man, make sure you follow this channel. Man, I love to chat it up with my DJs, love the network. Let me know if you're going to the expo too as well. I know it's in Atlantic City. I actually live about 40 minutes from Atlantic City. I live in South Jersey, so not too far. I do have a couple gigs, but I do have time. I definitely want to go. I've never been to an expo ever before, so I don't know what this process like. I believe you do have to purchase a ticket beforehand. I'm gonna do some more research, but it's 5:15 on a Thursday afternoon. I actually have to go DJ at Rutgers University, New Brunswick campus for new student orientation, 8:30 to 10:30, and then back home. All right, so it's DJ Reese again. Shout out to my DJ. Shout out to the DJ community. Uh, need more tips? Beginner DJs, holla at me. Yeah, man, I'm just getting the hang of a lot of social media. You know, I was so concerned with just booking gigs and DJing and DJing and DJing, and I did a lot of that, man. I'm still doing a lot of that, but I wasn't actually recording content, and now I'm starting to record content way more. I'm learning a lot, man. You know, you're never, man. I'm never, I'm a humble dude, so I'm never beyond learning more to better myself. All right, and that's what this channel is all about. Just being a better DJ. So again, shout out to my DJ. Salute. It's DJ Reese of No Stress on Entertainment. I'm signing out, man. Peace, y'all.